The desk with meteorologist Cassie Hyder. We've been talking about it for several days now. It's just so hot. The chances of rain are slim, and but hey, we take it where we can get it, right? Like there's no 100-degree days, right?
So far, you know, we were thinking that we were going to hit 100 degrees yesterday. Got so close. We got to 99. We didn't want to hit 100, but yeah, I know we were so close, but we haven't seen 100 degrees yet so far this year, which is very unusual. But nonetheless, we still have a heat advisory in place for today. And so we also have a WFAA Weather Alert day for today through 9 o'clock this evening. So it's basically going to be hot all day. We're talking about dangerous heat, though, later this afternoon. Also high humidity. So when factoring that in, the heat index of what it actually feels like to you, that could actually approach around 107 degrees later today. So what you need to do is limit your time outdoors, take plenty of breaks if you have to be outdoors for an extended period of time. Make sure to hydrate properly, drink plenty of water, wear the SPF, and of course don't leave any kids or pets in your cars. The heat advisory, that includes the Metroplex and areas to the north and west, because that is where it's going to be the most hot and humid. This is our Fort Worth camera. It is a gorgeous start, but the heat index is already sitting at 87 degrees. Right now we're at 81 in McKinney, 81 in Denton, 82 in Decatur, 78 in Athens, and 78 degrees right now in Tyler. Later this afternoon, temperatures will likely climb into the mid and upper 90s, but you can see way to the north and west over near Wichita Falls, we're talking about low 100s. 98 today in Gainesville, 98 in Sherman, 93 in Greenville, and 95 in Dallas, 96 in Fort Worth. Overnight tonight, under partly cloudy skies, we're going to have a breezy south wind. It's still going to be humid, and temperatures drop down into the mid and upper 70s. So looking at satellite radar, could we see any relief with some cloud cover, maybe a little bit of rain? Well, we've actually been watching this storm system over South Texas. That's going to be making its way to the west. You can see some of the rain bands trying to make it into East Texas, and this is going to be making its way to the north and west later today. So right now we're pretty quiet, but later this afternoon we should be adding a little bit more cloud cover. The possibility of storms will be picking up around lunchtime for East North Texas, and then as we go through later in the afternoon, that makes its way to the north and west. So this is going to be 4 o'clock this afternoon, and now we at least have a couple of isolated showers and storms in the northern part of the Metroplex, and then some other storms in between Bonham and Greenville at about 7 o'clock. But after sunset, everything goes away. We're looking dry overnight tonight, and then for your Sunday, I think we start out pretty quiet. We're going to see more of a partly cloudy sky again. It's going to be plenty hot and humid, but late in the afternoon and early evening, there could be a couple of isolated showers and storms, but that coverage stays very low. Temperatures stay very high. Over the next few days, we're likely going to stay in the mid and upper 90s, but that heat index, it's going to stay right around 105 or so. So for today, we're going to see that air temperature of 95, but it's going to feel hotter. Overnight tonight, we're only dropping to about 78 degrees. 14-day forecast showing tomorrow 96, on Monday 97, and then 98 on Tuesday, and then 99 on Wednesday. So it's just going to gradually get a little bit hotter. For now, we're going to keep the 100s off the 14-day. That doesn't mean that it can't happen at all, but overall, it just looks hot and mostly dry. Natalie, back to you.
Cassie, thank you.